Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavya from third semester of Electronics and Communication Department at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, which is affiliated to VTU. I am back with a new subject, that is Mathematics 3 for Electronics and Communication stream. Under Mathematics 3 of ECE, let's discuss about the applications of Fourier series in digital signals in electronics and communication. Let's go through one by one the applications of Fourier series in the digital signals of the communications in the mathematics of electronics and communication. Let's go through one by one the signal representation. The Fourier series is used to represent the periodic signals as a sum of sinusoidal component. The mean is the sinusoidal component in the Fourier series of the mathematics of electronics and communication in the third semester. The sinusoidal component of the signal representation, it provides a compact representation of signals into the frequency domain. In the signal representation, which represents the signals into the frequency domain. The next one is the signal analysis. The signal analysis is another one representation or the application of the Fourier series in third semester, which enables an analysis of the complex signals by decomposing them into the similar sinusoidal components, making it earlier and it is easier to study and to understand the frequency content. Under the Fourier series of the signal representation and the signal analysis, which makes easy to study and understands the frequency contents as well as the signals into the frequency domain, which compacts the representation. And the filters design. See, we come through many different types of filters in the Fourier series when designing and filters for the signal processing comes to, which signals is nothing but the electronics. So what comes to the electronics or the signal processing, like DSDVs, EPs, like applications, the filters can be designed into selectivity, pass, or attenuate specific frequency components of the signals. In the Fourier series of the filter design Fourier series, the modulation and the demodulation in the communication systems. In electronics, there are two. The one is the modulation system and another one is the demodulation system. Let's go through one by one. In the Fourier series, the mind of the Fourier series is employed into the modulation and the demodulation process, modulating the signals, which involves in shifting its frequency contents. See, first let's go through the modulation. Under modulation, the signals which involves in shifting its frequencies content. Well, we comes to the demodulation in the communication system, which is process of retaining the original signal, where the signal involves in the shifting, which is modulation, and it retaining the original signal, which is the demodulation. Okay, the next one is the spatial the analysis of Fourier series, which helps to the analysis of the characteristics of signals in understanding how different frequencies contribute to the overall behavior of the signals. The data comparison. The Fourier series is used to various comparisons techniques such as GPEG comparison of the GPG form of the comparison of images. Nowadays, all the GPG forms we need. The MP3 comparison of the audio or voice or the video or the signals all depends on the Fourier series in the mind of ECE. By representing the signals into the frequency of domain, redundant information can be removed, leading to over the efficient storage and the transmission, which comes to the spatial analysis of the Fourier series. The channel equalization in the communication channels. See, comes to Fourier series with designing equalization techniques to compensate for the distortion introduced during the transmissions, the ensuring the faithful reproduction of the original signals orthogonality in the signal processing. The orthogonality property of the sinusoidal, the function in the Fourier series, is simplifies the many signal processing of operations, facilitating the computations and analysis in the digital communication systems, which comes to the equalization of the communication channels. The conclusion of the Fourier series, which is a fundamental mathematical tool in the digital signal communication, which providing the insights into the signal representation of analysis, the main idea and the imputations essentials for the designing efficient and the retainable communication systems, which are these are all about the applications of the Fourier series in main of electronics and communication engineering of mathematics 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.